Ladies and gentlemen, Devin Nielsen here with McLaren Philadelphia. Today I'm going to be showing you some basic functions in and around the McLaren Senna. Whether you're an owner or an avid hypercar fan, we hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Let's get started. For cars like the Senna, it's very helpful to keep them on the charger when not in use. To find the charger on the McLaren Senna, you will press down on the upper left-hand side of the central carbon piece located on the hood. Pull that up and you'll see the charging port with a plastic flap over that. You pull that up, pop the charger in, and you're all set. Another helpful item underneath the hood is the washer fluid cap. You'll notice right away that the start-stop engine button is not in your typical spot. Look above and you'll find it on this panel here. You push in, foot on the brake, and the beast is started up. Another helpful item up here is the latch, which will pop the door open. Pull down. Once it's popped, push it up, and you're good to go. For advanced air conditioning settings, press the fan button, which will bring up a menu on the central infotainment screen where you can select airspeed, air focus points, and temperature. And last but not least, we have the window toggle switches. Push to retract and pull to raise it back up. As is typical McLaren fashion, you'll find the gear toggles located in the center. What's unique about the Senna is they're actually attached to the seat. So when you move the seat, the switches move with you. And you press down for drive, neutral, and reverse. And again, as in most McLarens, you will not find a P for park in the central gear cluster. It is located to the left of the steering wheel. To engage, foot on the brake, pull up, and to disengage, foot on the brake, push in. To operate the front lift on the Senna, you will find a stalk right below the wiper stalk. There's a button on the outside. Push in to engage, and then pull up on this stalk to raise the car, and push down to lower it. Since the Senna is track focused, McLaren offered the bespoke MSO Push-to-Drink System option for the car. The canteen holster sits between the seats and a tube can connect the system to your helmet for an easy hydration solution while on the track. To pop it out, you'll push in on this red button. Comes right out, unscrew it, fill it up, pop it back in till it latches, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out the video. Be on the lookout for more guides, highlight videos, and other content on the way. I'll see you soon.